Do you want to delete all of your Instagram comments? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way to do that. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. On the three lines you can see on the top right, and then just simply tap on your activity. It will redirect you to the page where you can easily find comments. Just simply click that option, and then here it will show all of your comments which you have ever left on any Instagram post or whatever. Just delete a comment or multiple comment at the same time, just simply tap on select, and that's how you can check mark the comments like in this way. So once you're done with it, and just simply tap on delete and click on delete to continue, and just wait for a second. So that's how you can easily delete comments on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. And I recommend you to see the other latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.